Hi Michael, sorry to hear about the problem with your Blomberg Tumble Dryer. Model number TKF8451AG50. Good and bad news, I'm sorry mate. I can't do one-to-one phone calls at the moment. As you can see from the background, I'm in the camper and I'm travelling to the trade show in IFA Berlin. This is the international trade show and all the major appliance manufacturers are there. So I'm away for 3 to 4 weeks. The good news is, this machine is manufactured by Beko. Blomberg is just the label that's on the machine. The machine was actually manufactured by Beko, and that means I've been able to get you the full workshop manual, exploded diagrams of the machine with all the parts available. Do take note, there were a couple of variations of your machine, so you will need to use your full model number off the identification plate, not just what you sent us. I've put a link on the page so you can actually find the correct parts as well. There's also the wiring diagram, exploded views of the machine, and the technical test procedure. This means that you're going to be able to go into diagnostic mode and run some tests to see what the problem is. I'm still suspecting that you may have the water accumulating because it's not draining, but without having the machine in front of me, it is very hard for me to ascertain the problem. So I've also put a load of videos on the page that will also assist you with regards to your problem. I hope this helps you. And also all the parts for your machine is at the bottom of the page as well. Okay, take care, have a good day mate, and there's a little bit at the end of this to show you how to use the website correctly to get the best from it. Have a great day. I have created you an FAQ page specifically with all the wiring diagrams, workshop manual that includes error codes, diagnostic procedure and explaining every component, but there's also videos on the page to assist you. If you or anyone else needs help, fill out the contact us form on the website. Make sure you give us your full model number and serial number, but most importantly, make sure you leave us a detailed description of the fault. Better still, why don't you upload a video to YouTube, send me the link, I'll be able to have a look at the problem and then be able to help you better. Making this page for you took me a while, so please remember to support the website by giving us a thumbs up on our YouTube channel and subscribing, and also sharing the channel to your friends and family. Please remember to support the website by buying the parts off us, and if we really helped you, you can always donate to the website by clicking on the Buy Paul Revere page. Thanks very much indeed for watching.